Alright, this is part 2 of my corrosion test with the 14C Canadian and the AEBL. It is 7:30 a.m. These have been sitting in salt and water since 7:30 p.m. This is the 14C. And I see nothing. Alright, here's the AEBL. And I see nothing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to recover these and I'm going to leave them till tomorrow morning. So I'm going to give them 24 hours.